Welcome back to Simply Fatima. Today's video is going to be all about my Prada 2005 re-edition handbags. This video has been really requested for me to sit down and do a detailed review on the two Prada 2000 re-edition handbags that I have. You guys saw them in part 3 of my handbag collection, and majority of you guys had said, hey, I just recently purchased one. I want your thoughts and opinions on it. So today is that day that I will sit down and talk to you guys in detail about my Prada 2005 re-edition handbags. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. I get so excited when I say that. So if you're new, like, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and also hit that bell's notification so that you will never miss one of my uploads. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves luxury, where you see how I style my handbags. And wouldn't you want to follow me on Instagram too? Like, we can be YouTube friends and we can be Instagram friends. So please show your girl some love and follow me on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So as you guys know from my handbag collection video part 3, that I have both the Nylon Prada re-edition handbag, and I also have the Saffiano leather Prada re-edition 2005 bag. Most of you guys would be like, the bag is practically the same, which it practically is, but it just is made out of 2 different materials and 2 different hardwares. So starting with the Saffiano leather the Saffiano leather 2005 re-edition bag. This bag is made out of Saffiano leather, and it has gold hardware. See, the triangle is in gold, the chain is gold, the charm has gold detailing as well. So this bag is all things gold. It does come with the shoulder strap, so the coin pouch is also gold, the zipper is gold, like everything on here is practically gold. This strap has a Prada written on it right here, so it does have a Prada, and I like to wear it with the gold chain. So this bag is a really cute like shoulder bag, because I like the way it like dips down, so it's not like uncomfortable under your arm. So like for dinners and just nice events, that's why I really like this one, because just like the Nylon Prada re-edition handbag, you can dress this one up and you can dress it down, and that's what I like about it. I tend to usually wear a lot of gold, so that's why I was also gravitating towards this bag, but at the same time I also wanted some silver pieces. That's why I got the nylon one. But to me, even though both bags are pretty much the same, they're different in their own way, and they serve their purpose differently. And I really do like the gold detailing and the Saffiano leather. At first, I found it very hard to want to pay $1,200 for something that was made out of nylon, and then they came out with the Saffiano leather one, and I was like, okay, well, I can get down with that because that's leather. And then I end up getting both, but that's a whole different conversation. The Saffiano leather is easy to wipe down, so you can wipe it clean, which I do like. I do take, this is gonna sound wrong, but I do take better care of the Saffiano leather one, just because it is leather and I don't want to damage it or anything of that nature. The main compartment is just one black hole, pretty much. It's just one compartment, and yeah, so this is basically the Prada 2005 re-edition in Saffiano leather, and it does come with the strap. And I have worn it with the strap, and it's really cute. And I know a few months back, me and some friends, we went and grabbed dinner really quickly, and I wore this handbag, and it was really cute with the outfit that I had on, and it just added that extra statement that my clothing needed. And I really like this bag. So if you can get your hands on the Saffiano leather one, I highly recommend it. It's up to you. You don't have to be like me and get both. Please don't be like me and get both, because that's toxic. That's really toxic, so don't do that. But if you had to choose between the nylon and the leather, they're both really good options. Let's talk about the nylon bag, because I know the nylon bag is the most popular bag because of like price point, and it's the bag that you really see on the internet that's sporty. Like girls are like wearing shackets and pairing this up with their sweats. And I know I usually wear this bag a lot with sweats, and it just takes your look from level 2 to 10, because it looks like you kind of put in some effort. And don't get me wrong, you can also wear this one with sweats, but I just feel like it's a really classy look. In my opinion, this is my opinion, I feel like it's very classy, so I would kind of want to stick with like classy looks, little black dresses, nice cream colored outfits, like, you know, dinner party type vibes, date night type vibes, birthday parties, that sort of thing. But yes, every time I would usually wear this with sweats, people were just like, oh my gosh, I really love this bag. I remember I was in Target once, and the employee that was helping me, she was like, I've been really wanting this. I see it on you, and you're wearing sweats, and your sweats just look phenomenal with this bag on. I'm gonna tell my boyfriend to get me one. So this bag is really nice. I do like how also it has like the little dip for the shoulder part to make your for you to wear it on your shoulder comfortably. I really do love this like Y2K like look that is coming back. It's really great, and it does remind me of like all the bags I would see in the early 2000s, and the girls would be rocking them, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, those are so cute, but I could never have one. And now look at me, I have one too. Don't get two, because that's toxic. But yeah, so here's the nylon one. The nylon one has silver hardware, which I do appreciate, because I don't have too many pieces with silver hardware. And when I tell you, I wear this bag to death. Like when I was carrying this bag, like it was so hard for me to reach to other bags, just because I love this one so much, and it just elevated my sweats. It just looks like I put in effort. So just like the Saffiano leather one, it comes with the charm in the front that says 2005 Prada re-edition. It comes with the silver chain, and it also comes with the shoulder strap. The coin pouch is made out of silver hardware. It does have Prada on the strap right here, and it is adjustable. Both straps are adjustable, and you can adjust them to however long or however short you want them to be. And I love this bag. Just like the Saffiano leather one, it's just one main compartment, and that's it. And it really holds like everything you need it to hold. But like literally, when I was carrying this bag, like I wore it all the time. I wore it so much it was hard for me to gravitate and like rotate my other handbags. I was like, girl, you gotta rotate your handbags. You can't just keep using this one bag. But I love it, love it, love it. Like honestly, this is easily one of the best purchases of 2020. Like easily, hands down, the best purchase of 2020. Both of these bags. But the nylon one, just because it's so casual, and nowadays, well, for me nowadays, I've been super casual because of what's going on globally. Like it's just been making, I don't know, it's just been making like everything so much easier, I guess, because the simplicity of the bag is eye-catching, it's interesting. But yeah, I absolutely love this bag, and hands down the best purchase of 2020 without second guessing, double thinking, nothing. Best purchase. So normally what I usually carry in both pouches on the straps is usually like lip gloss or a couple of like bills or like loose change or AirPods can fit in here. I'm gonna show you what fits inside of this bag. So yeah, let's get started. So the first item, as always, is my cell phone. It's just a regular iPhone 10, and that goes in there perfectly. You can also fit a mini pochette. So this is my mini pochette from Louis Vuitton, and that goes in just like that, and that's what it looks like. So I have my phone back here and then the mini pochette. Maybe I should put my phone in front of the mini pochette. Okay, yeah, there. So I have my phone on top and then the mini pochette. It fits in smoothly. I have the Louis Vuitton key pouch, and I'm just gonna stick that right in front of my phone like so. I also have my YSL card holder, and that fits right in there just like that. I don't go anywhere without lip gloss, so this is my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and that fits right in. Ooh, where is it? Okay, there it is. It fits right in there in the little quarter right over there. There you go. I have some gum, and my gum goes right in there just like that. And y'all know how I feel about my face wipes. I have a Neutrogena makeup wipe remover and some hand sanitizer. And keep in mind, like, majority of that stuff, like the loose stuff that I put in there, is also in my mini pochette. It will be in my mini pochette, like the lip gloss, hand sanitizer, face wipes, and gum. But yeah, just for the sake of the video, you can just see everything that fits, and it zips like a charm. Just like that. Zips just like a charm. I forgot to mention that I also have a video on my channel giving you a whole detailed tour about the Prada 2005 re-edition video. I will link that in the cards above. And I also have a bag video. I also have a bag video on my channel talking about the Saffiano leather handbag, so also check that out as well. I'll link that in the cards above. So yeah, so I 10 out of 10 recommend without a doubt. It's just so easy. It's one bag, one big compartment. You can wear it crossbody. You can wear it the strap, crossbody strap, as a shoulder bag. You could wear it just with the silver chain. You can wear the silver chain draped down in front, and then you just have the actual crossbody strap, like as your shoulder strap or the crossbody strap. You can wear the silver chain draped down in front. Like, there's so many different ways you can wear this bag. I really love this bag. I would say if you wanted the multi-pochette by Louis Vuitton, but you did not want to break the bank, this is a good runner-up bag. It's not as expensive. Okay, it's not cheap, but it's not as expensive as the multi-pochette by Louis Vuitton. I still love my multi-pochette by Louis Vuitton, and I love this one as well. I love them both equally. I'm not a one or the other type of individual. If my house was burning down, I would try to save both bags. Honestly, I would try to save both of these bags plus my multi-pochette by Louis Vuitton. So that says a lot too. But this bag I highly recommend if you're trying to find your first luxury piece that you want to start your collection with. I would say go ahead, pick up this bag. I feel like Prada has had a price increase on this bag. If I'm wrong, please let me know in the comment section down below. But I love this bag. If you can get your hands on this bag, I highly recommend it. They come in so many different colors. Like, you can get red, yellow, pink, light blue, navy, black, oh, beige. You can get this in like a beige color. With the Saffiano leather, it comes in white, beige, black, red, and green. Those are the colors that this is available in. And I love these bags. I love them so much. And you just saw like how much they hold, and they are like completely worth it. So if you can get your hands on one, please do. And yeah, if you guys have any more questions about this handbag, please comment that in the comment section down below. If you like this type of video, please make sure you hit the like button. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves luxury, and show your girls some love. So until next time, my loves, I'll see you later. Bye.